Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'll be sharing with you how I made this corn stick. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. So to make our corn stick, this is the ingredient we'll be using. We have our corn flour, sugar, and salt. I already have a video where I shared how I made this corn flour. So I'm going to put the link on the description box. So if you want to see how to make your corn flour at home, check the description box for the link. So what I did is to add all the ingredients together and then go ahead and mix them. Make sure you mix it properly. After that, you put your pot on whatever you are using to cook, whether your gas or your stove or anything. Then allow the water to boil. So if the water is boiling, then you go ahead and add your corn flour and keep stirring it. But please, it's advisable that you make sure that the water is not much. You can take out some water and keep adding the corn flour and keep stirring it. If you feel you need more water, then you add. So it's better for you to add more water than for you to have excess water already in the pot. So that's just it. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you just keep stirring, just like the way you turn your semo. After that, I sprinkle some corn flour on the bowl and then go ahead and scoop out the corn flour I turned earlier. So I just went ahead, mix it, use my as you can see me doing, I just went ahead to just mix it a little bit. So the next thing is to start forming the shape. Depending on the shape you want, normally corn stick is always long. So you can go ahead and do it. What I did is just to rub the powder on my hands, scoop out a little bit, then just form it into the shape you can see in that plate. So you can see the way I'm doing. There are actually different methods to do that. So this is the first method. The second method is also to sprinkle some corn flour on a clean flat surface. Then scoop out a little bit and use your hand to press it, as you can see me doing. That's just basically it. Is as simple as that. Just take your time, take your time, take your time. If the corn is sticky to your hand, just add corn flour to your hand so it won't be sticky again. So and for the edge, if you want the edge to be like a little bit sharp, just go ahead and squeeze it more. You can see the way it is. So depending on the shape you want, just go ahead and do it. Then on the frying pan, I added some groundnut oil. Allow the groundnut oil to get hot, and then go ahead and fry it. Please do not mind the color. It's just my lightning. There was no light when I was frying it, so that's it. So just go ahead and fry it. Just use your stick or whatever you use to turn it. When one side is golden brown, just turn it. Then after that, when it's well fried, you can see the way it is, then you can bring it out. So you go ahead for the other batches till you are done, and that is just it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Like, come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.